Hey folks, Matt Gladden here, and I'm back with another fantasy map drawing video. And today, we're gonna go over fishing villages, and that's including tropical trees and forests, boats, coastlines, and fishing shanties. All right, let's go sketch. We're starting things off in pencil. We're gonna lay out the basic shape of our landmass and the location of our fishing village. So as you can see for the beaches, I created this little bit of a border on the one side of the coastline. For one, to give it some perspective, and two, to create that beachy coastline look. I also added in some mountains that are just bordering this fishing town. And if you want to see some of the techniques I use for drawing mountains, check out this new video I just released on drawing mountains for your fantasy map. I also like to add in some rock formations just off the coast to keep my ocean and beaches and coastlines interesting. So I'm just going through and creating a variety of different shapes for my rock formation. And now it's time to work on this fishing village. And the first thing I'm going to do on this point is add a towering lighthouse. Then from there, I'm working on the harbor. So I'm drawing a few structures with wharfs coming off and into the ocean. And again, trying to keep a unifying perspective to all this. For the vibe of this fishing village, I'm going for more of a Caribbean style. And the way I'm gonna sell that is with some palm trees. I also have a tutorial video on how I draw all sorts of different trees. So if you need trees or forests for your next fantasy map, check this out. I'm gonna draw a variety of different structures just to keep this village dynamic and give you a bunch of ideas that you can take away from it. We'll do a manor, we'll do a boathouse, we'll do a fortress, keeping in mind that Caribbean sea shanty vibe. Besides the palm trees, I feel like the awnings also really sell that fishing village, sea shanty, Caribbean look. What do you think? Now, let's add some boats to this harbor. That will really sell the fishing village look. And the great thing with working in pencil, if I don't like it, I can just erase it. And much like the variety of structures I did in the village, I'm gonna do a variety of different boats here. So, got a medium-sized sailboat. We'll go for a large-sized vessel. Here, I'm adding some basic wave shapes to give us the look of a living ocean. And once I'm happy with everything I see here, it's time to go in with the pen. Because this is so small and detailed, I'm using a fine point ink pen. To be honest, I'm using the finest one I have, a Micron 005. Just taking my time and going slowly and using a ruler for my straight lines wherever I need. So let's take it slow, steady, and off we go. Now let's just finalize the name, and we've got everything inked in. And it's time to erase, and look at this crisp, clean line work. All right, thanks for watching this video. And hey, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And don't forget to comment and like this video if you enjoyed what you saw. All right, until next time.